Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a cool one for you. I got a 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. This car's been resto modded in awesome condition, finished in a beautiful midnight blue, really nice shape. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. Like I said, this car is finished in a beautiful midnight blue. Really looks good, and awesome wheels. It's got awesome looking bumpers, LED headlights. It's got QA1 shocks on the front, and control arms. Been a lot of money spent on the car. It's got four wheel disc brakes on it, American racing wheels, and nice tires on it. Really look good. But we'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interior's finished in excellent condition. Really looks good. It's got a screen on the front there. It's Bluetooth to your phone. Does have a backup camera as well. Has power windows on it. The switch right here on the dash, the little toggle switch here on the dash, is for open headers. You can turn that, open it, and shut the headers as you pull into the car show. It's pretty cool. But all the seats look good. It's got a newer style seat in it with the original style back seat. It really looks good. But we'll take a look inside the trunk here. And all inside the trunk's in excellent condition. It's got a really nice sound system in it, and I'll show you. Really looks good. It's got a nice sound system in it. Kenwood speakers, and it's all been finished with carpet that really looks good. It does have the stamped VINs on each side on the quarter panels, which is a big plus for Chevelle guys. On the back here, it does have a spoiler on it. It really looks good. Adds to the car. Really nice. Like I said, all the bumpers look good. But just a second here, and Dad's going to start it up for us. Really sounds good. Like I said, all the paint and body work is excellent on the car. Whoever did it did an excellent job on it. It's got some LED lights when you open the door, inside on the dash, on the console, but just really looks good. All the doors are in excellent shape. Somebody's really taken a lot of time and effort on the car, and they've done an excellent job on it. Just really looks good. All the dash, like I said, is in great shape. It's got that radio in it. That's nice. But we're going to take a look underneath the hood. And it is a push button start. I forgot about that. Right there, you turn that key, you turn the three switches on and turn the key on, and then you push button to start it. So we'll shut the door here. Underneath the hood, it does have a 396 performance engine in it. Really nice. It really sounds good. And previous owner said it's a 396 board 30 over. No way to know for sure, but really nice and good condition. And all the firewall looks good, painted to match the car. It's got the tag there. But just shut the hood here. It does have a 400 automatic transmission in it as well. A lot of money spent on the car, and I'll kind of go over a little bit of what was spent on it. So, like I said, it's got a 396 board 30 over. It's got a all-new 400 turbo automatic transmission. It's got a 12-bolt 373 gear ratio on it. It's really nice. Four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a QA1 coilovers, tubular control arms, polyester bushings, and QA1 coilover, 1-inch sway bar. Just a lot of money spent on the car. LED headlights. Just lots and lots of money. So if you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving a 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. We're going to take her for a ride and see how she does. Like I said, it's got a new screen in it with the radio, Bluetooth to your phone, so it's pretty nice. And it's got the dash, really looks good. We're going to take her for a ride. Excellent running, driving car. But we're going to turn around and head back here, and like I do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit and we'll see what the Chevelle's made of. All right, here we go. And we got a little bit of traffic, sorry about that. A couple of cars coming and then we'll be ready to go. All right, here we go. Excellent running, driving car. And we're almost back. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page, helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions about this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com, where we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.